What? What happened? Is that 137?
Yeah, 137.
Today is Tuesday, August 18th, 2020, and yesterday was the hottest day recorded on Earth in Death Valley, Nevada. And today is supposed to be 1 degree hotter. So it's gonna break records today. We're in the middle of a weird year, 2020, when a lot of people are just kind of staying home. My kids went back to school this week. I've got nothing better to do, so I wanna take this Tesla and drive it to Death Valley and be there when it's the hottest that it can possibly be, and see how this bad boy survives, and hopefully be there for the record-breaking day. 131 degrees Fahrenheit, which is this hot in Celsius, which is pretty dang hot. The specific place that we are trying to go to today is called Furnace Creek, and it's a little town inside of Death Valley. They have a resort, they have a golf course. If the golf course is open today, I'm going to make another video where I'm gonna see if I can play 18 holes in 130 degree temperatures. So let's go on the adventure. Let's see how well my Tesla Model X 2017 can hold up to the extreme heat, and let's see how much I can hold up to it. I don't know what's gonna happen today, but it's gonna be interesting. It's 7:22 a.m. and it's 91 degrees. I have 253 miles range on my Tesla. Unfortunately for me, 253 miles in my 2017 Tesla Model X is about as good as it gets. I could stay here another 20 minutes in charge and maybe get another 10 miles. But my car's lost a lot of range over the last few years. The best Tesla can do right now is 400 miles range in a Tesla Model S, and that's pretty good. That's way better than what I have in here. But the rumor is Tesla's about to get a lot better range. We already know with the Tesla Roadster and the Model X, it's going to have around 500 to 600 mile range, and that's coming out within a year, year and a half. So for now, 253 miles. There is a supercharger about 45 minutes away from Furnace Creek. So hopefully we can charge out there and have enough range. I want to make sure I get the best mileage possible, and the heat does weird things on your tires. So does cool. So I stopped to fill up my car to 42 PSIs, and actually the front two are a little bit low, so this is a good move. Okay, now we're safely ready to continue on our way. We're 26 miles away from Furnace Creek. We are in California right now. We're on these roads that are straight forever, and there's nothing on both sides, just these weird mountain ranges in the distance. But oddly enough, it's still not 100 degrees. We've been driving for about an hour and 20 minutes, and it's still 96 degrees, which is just as hot as it was as we left Las Vegas. But Death Valley is actually 220 feet below sea level, and I guess that makes it get hotter there. If you broke down out here, it would be a problem. So if you want to come to Death Valley, probably pack lots of water bottles as a safety kit inside of your car. I've got my what's inside water bottle. There's some water in there, but I probably should have packed some more. Right now we're 18 miles away from Furnace Creek, and I just passed a sign that said 3,000 feet elevation. I've been wondering why it's 98 degrees right now, and we're so close to Death Valley and it's not hot. So we need to drop 3,000 feet, and the more that we drop, the hotter it gets. It's gonna get hot. Hey! I had to film for like a minute or two. It switched over to 100, and we are 13 miles away. So we're 5 miles away, so in the last 8 miles, we've dropped 2,000 feet to elevation 1,000 feet above sea level, and now we're at 107. It is 9:18 in the morning. We're gonna stay here as long as we can today until we see that record temperature. But right now, it literally looks like we just are on Mars. We've made it to Furnace Creek. We are below sea level right now. It's 111 degrees and we have 111 miles range left. Illuminati! We are going to make a video right now about golfing in this temperature. The latest tee time they'll let us go out is 10 a.m. 111 degrees. It feels good out here. And I need to find a place to charge here while we're here. Good news, I have my adapter and they do have chargers at a few of the places here. That's good because a supercharger is not very close and you can lose energy really fast here. It's green, it says it's charging. Let's see if it actually did charge. Well, it's not the fastest charge. Well, that's not ideal. It's better than nothing. I'm gonna go golfing. We are here at the Furnace Creek Visitor Center for the National Park. And good news, this is the place where they actually have the thermometer that tells you what the temperature is. And no joke, we were just pulling up and it said 129. I'm like, dang, that's good. And then right then, bam, 130. We did it.
Okay. That's 59 Celsius.
It did say 130 a few seconds ago. And then I came over to film and it's teasing me. It went down to 129, 3:45. So they say around 4 o'clock is the hottest time of the day. Perfect, got like the next 15 minutes. I think we might see 131 today. I don't know, I'm optimistic. The Tesla, I put it on the temperature to stay on. So let's go inside and see how good it actually holds up with the temperature like this. All right, so I'm in the Tesla. It says right on the Tesla, it says that it's 128. I have 185 miles range. The sun is directly above us right there, so I'm gonna pull around. I wanna be able to see when it switches over to 130. But since the car says 128, then maybe we were just there for a moment to see the 130. Boop. I have it set for 72 degrees. I'll be honest here, it is not 72 degrees, but it makes sense. There's Hunter. Hi, Hunter. He's just waiting. It still says 129. We're just sitting here in the car for probably 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes, and we've lost 2 miles range on the car. That's a little concerning. We still have to make it all the way to Las Vegas. There's not a supercharger between here and there. If you look in the car, it says it's 128 in the car. So it says it's actually close. Oh, it's 130! It's 130, let's go. I did it. We gotta go. We did it. We saw the 130. Can it hit 131 and top yesterday? That's kind of the big question. We're running out of time. The Tesla, I don't know if you can hear it. It is loud. It is working overtime over there. I don't even think I have the air on right now. It's just cooling the batteries. We've got to see 131. If it happens today, I got to see it on this sign. This is the place. We have some what appears to be Instagrammers that just pulled up. Definitely Instagrammers. This couple that's here, they just pulled up. They're getting their photos, their Instagram stories on. Oh, he got burned. 30, we're back. Get to 131. Those people just walked right by it. Do they not know what they're seeing? Just flexing the abs. Smart, another Instagrammer. Well, we're down to 128 on our car. And I'm not super concerned. Like, it's only 99 miles to Las Vegas. But it is crazy hot, and we do have to climb on the way up there. I'm a little concerned that we're not gonna see 131 because we're at 128 in the car. That's down to 129. It's 130 again. Yes, it's 130 again. Well, if it gets to 131, we will capture it. What happened?
It's 131.
Is that 131?
That's 131. That was in the picture yesterday. That's 131.
Wait, 137? No? What happened here? What happened here? 55 Celsius. What, did it change? Is that 137?
Yeah, 137.
All right.
Is that really 137? What's 55 Celsius?
Maybe it's not. Maybe it's.
Why does it say that? Why does it say that? Oh, yeah, temperature! It's 131, take a picture, Hunter! Oh my gosh, we see it! It's 131! Hunter, get ready for camera. You gotta get this.
I'm ready, dude. What time
Okay, right here, go. Oh, goodness, no. Okay, go for it. Core changes.
Wow.
Okay, go ahead, guys. 131, we did it. Okay. If what?
This is crazy.
This is crazy. We're here.
We waited here for quite a while to get this.
Yeah, I get that.
Down on me, buddy.
Oh, crap!
It's only 130.
Oh. Now 130 feels like a disappointment. That was such exhilaration. Oh my God. 131. It was there for a good, I don't know, 60 seconds.
Yeah.
Oh!
That was insane.
That was amazing. That was amazing. The hottest recorded temperature on Earth is that, 131, and we saw it here. That was awesome. What does it feel like? What does it feel like to me? I think the furnace is a good idea, or the oven. On my hand, just holding it out right now, it feels burning hot. Like it's crazy hot right now, just on the skin. I do have sunscreen on. It's probably worn off by now.
And the crazy thing is, this is just in the air. If you like reach further down, the asphalt is like hot enough where you could cook a steak.
And the car is just burning. I feel bad for that one guy. He's been waiting here the longest. And then he ran up there to have his moment. 2 guys, and then bam, it went away. We were on it though. We weren't messing around. We saw that and we were out of here.
We're like, is that a glitch? That's not a glitch. Let's go get that phone.
Where's my phone? Do you have it?
Yes, I have your phone.
Okay. We saw it, guys. 131, baby. Right now it's 4:22 California time, so it was about 4:17 California time when it did get up to 131. That was our goal. Oh, and by the way, we're still just parked here. We are still completely parked here. And the Tesla is now at 177 miles. We lost 4 miles just sitting here in the AC. 177 miles range on the Tesla is actually just an estimate. It's not, it's what it's guessing based off of your previous driving that you've done and where the car batteries are at. So I hope our car makes it. Okay, so check this out. This is a heat sensor and it says 157 on it.
You could cook a steak.
Can I laser my car to see how hot my car is? Okay, thanks. I don't know if you can see down there, 139. Let's try right here on the handle. Whoa, 181, 183. Oh, that's hot. Holy smokes. My door handle's 183 degrees. No wonder the car's freaking out over here trying to cool down the batteries. Electric cars aren't made for this heat. 166. So the asphalt is 166 and my door handle is 183. Went inside the gift shop. They have Gatorades, nice cold Gatorades, that's helpful. These guys, I don't understand. This guy's got a nice camera, looks like a vlogger, and he's filming everybody. And then this guy is holding a fake chicken.
What I don't understand about the vlogger though is that he has 2 shirts on, a long sleeve shirt and a shirt, and then his buddy has like a flannel.
Oh, here's a chicken. He's doing the chicken. Here he goes. Taking a picture of the chicken with that.
I think he's got to be a TikToker.
I have a hard time understanding what's happening. Well, this just popped up on my car. It says, help relieve heat wave stress on the grid. We ask that you reduce supercharging between 3 p.m. and 10 p.m. in Nevada. We're in the middle of Death Valley, right? We have a Tesla that when we parked here an hour ago, it had 183 miles range. It now has 169. So we're losing mileage just from sitting here. And now we need to drive home. And a very important component of road trips is superchargers. They're actually going to limit the charging options. I hope we can make it home tonight.
And that's a real question. Like, can we make it home tonight?
That is. I mean, look at this. These guys, it just popped back up to 130. And these guys are like, yeah, buddy. We did it, everybody. I talked to the park rangers and they said that yesterday there were over 100 people here just crowding around watching this thing and taking pictures as it went up. It's an exciting thing. If it's ever really, really hot, of course be safe. But I definitely recommend taking a trip here, even if you have a Tesla, and come experience this. Like, there's no place like Death Valley. You have an actual bucket, and you came here. So this was on Extreme Heat Death Valley.
Yeah.
This was on my bucket list too.
Is it?
Yeah, ours
Oh,
today
no.
was to play 18 holes of golf in 125 plus. So we did it. We just finished a couple hours ago.
Holy.
Play with fire, you're gonna get burned.
Oh man, look at that
Dude,
car.
that thing's a beast. Wow, everybody's coming. This guy, yeah, is this the Kia Soul guy?
Yeah, this is the Kia Soul
Oh
guy.
yeah, that's totally a Kia Soul guy.
He parked all casual, strolled up. He's like, I'm gonna get a photo. He didn't even have to wait.
That's
he got the
perfect.
130. What's funny is he's wearing like no shirt, but he's wearing pants.
That is a strange combination. Pretty dang hot.